Now we are going to discussing the problems. Problem number 2. Find the Fourier series of f of x is equal to pi minus x by 2 in pi minus x by 2 in 0 comma 2 pi, and hence deduce that pi by 4 is equal to 1 by 1 square, only 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus etc. Solution: Fourier series of f of x in 0 comma 2 pi is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin nx, where a naught is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x is pi minus x by 2 into dx. 1 by pi, here 2 common outside, 0 to 2 pi. For convenient you have to write like this, dx. 1 by 2 pi, integral of pi dx is pi x, integral of x dx is x square by 2, 0 to 2 pi. 1 by 2 pi times, apply 2 pi and 0 for x, 2 pi minus 0, here 1 by 2 common, you apply 2 pi for x square, 4 pi square minus 0, that is equal to 1 by 2 pi common, 2 pi square minus 2 pi square. So you will get a naught is equal to 0. Next we find an formula 1 by pi times integral 0 to 2 pi f of x is pi minus x by 2 into cos nx dx. An is equal to 1 by 2 pi, here 2 outside common, 0 to 2 pi minus x into cos nx dx, that is equal to 1 by 2 pi times, see integration by parts, because here first function second function is there. Apply Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts. You write first function first, pi minus x, integrating the second function, derivative of integration of sin cos is sin nx by n minus derivative of first function, that is minus 1, integral of previous one, this is minus cos nx by n into n square. Next term will be 0 because derivative of minus 1 is 0. 0 to 2 pi. An is equal to 1 by 2 pi common, here apply 2 pi or 0 for sine term is 0, minus into minus plus into minus minus, Inside minus 1 by n square common, cos nx 0 to 2 pi. An is equal to 1 by 2 pi times minus n square common. Apply 2 pi for x, cos 2n pi, cos 0 is 1, minus 1 by 2 pi n square. You know cos 2n pi is 1 minus 1, so an is also 0. Next, bn. Bn is 1 by pi common, integral 0 to 2 pi, f of x is pi minus x by 2 sin nx into dx. 1 by pi times, here also integration by parts, here 2 common outside. First function is pi minus x, you write first function, integrating the second function cos nx by n, derivative of pi minus x is minus 1, integral of cos is sin n x n into n square. Next term will be 0 because derivative of minus 1 is 0, 0 to 2 pi. So here also sin term 0, bn is equal to, here minus 1 by 2n pi common. For convenient applying the limit, you write one more step like this, 0 to 2 pi, that is equal to minus 1 by 2n pi common. You apply 2 pi for x, pi minus 2 pi cos 2n pi minus pi minus 0 cos 0, that is equal to minus 1 by 2n pi common, pi minus 2 pi is minus pi cos 2n pi minus pi into cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1, that is equal to minus 1 by 2n pi common, minus pi, you know cos 2n pi is 1 minus pi, that is equal to minus 1 by 2n pi minus 2 pi, minus pi minus pi minus 2 pi, that is equal to bn is equal to 2 cancel, pi cancel, minus cancel, 1 by n. So this is the required bn. After finding a0, a and bn, a0, a and bn, we construct Fourier series of f of x is equal to pi minus x by 2 is a0 is 0, an is also 0, only bn term, that is n from 1 to infinity, n from 1 to infinity, bn is 1 by n sin n x. You call equation number 1. So this is the required Fourier series. Now series deduction. You see the question, the given function is lies in 0 comma 2 pi. So you apply the standard values, is lies within 0 to 2 pi, like 0, pi, pi by 2, etc. Suppose you apply 0 sin 0 0, will not get the series. You apply pi sin n pi is also 0, so that is why only one option, put x is equal to pi by 2 in equation number 1, that is f of pi by 2 is equal to pi minus pi by 2 divided by 2 is equal to summation n from 1 to infinity 1 by n sin n pi by 2, that is equal to pi by 4 is equal to summation n from 1 to infinity 1 by n sin n pi by 2. Summation means n from 1 to infinity. You apply n equal to 1 sin 1 pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 sin 2 pi by 2 plus 1 by 3 sin 3 pi by 2 plus 1 by 4 sin 4 pi by 2 plus 1 by 5 sin 5 pi by 2 plus etc. That is pi by 4 is equal to 1 by 1 1 by 1 sin pi by 2 is 1 plus 1 by 2 into sin 2 to cancel 0 sin pi is 0 1 by 3 sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1 1 by 4 2 2s are sin 0 plus 1 by 5 sin 5 pi by 2 is plus 1 minus etc. Therefore pi by 4 is equal to 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus etc. is the required. Now we go for finding the Fourier series. Find Fourier series of f of x is equal to x minus x square in minus pi comma plus pi, in minus pi comma plus pi, and hence deduce pi square by 12 is equal to 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus etc. Solution: we have f of x a naught by 2 summation n from 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin nx, where a naught is 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x is x minus x square into dx. 1 by pi integral of x is x square is x cube by 3 minus pi to plus pi, that is equal to 1 by pi. You apply the limit pi square minus pi square minus 1 by 3 common, pi cube minus pi whole cube, that is equal to 1 by pi common pi square minus pi square minus 1 by 3 times pi cube minus pi whole cube is minus into minus plus pi cube, that is equal to, this term is 0, outside 1 by pi is there, minus 1 by 3 2 pi cube, that is equal to pi cancel minus 2 pi square by 3 is the required a naught. We want a naught by 2, that is minus 2 cancel pi square by 3. Next we are going to find an formula 1 by pi times integral minus pi to plus pi. Here f of x is x minus x square cos nx into dx, that is equal to 1 by pi times, here two terms are there. You apply Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts. First function is x minus x square, second function is cos nx. You write first function first, integrating the second function. Derivative integration of sin cos is sin nx by n minus derivative of x minus x square is 1 minus 2x. Integral of sine is minus cos nx by n into n square. Next minus plus. Derivative of 1 minus 2x is minus 2. Integral of cos is sine nx by n square into n cube. Next term will be 0 because derivative of minus 2, that is constant, is 0. So you can stop and apply the limit minus pi to plus pi. Next an is equal to, see here apply pi or minus pi for sine. Sine minus pi is 0. That is an is 1 by pi times, here minus into minus plus, inside 1 by n square is there. For convenient you have to write 1 minus 2x into cos nx, apply limit minus pi to plus pi, Next step, an is equal to 1 by n square pi common, apply the limit pi, that is 1 minus 2 pi cos n pi, lower limit minus 1 minus into minus plus 2 pi cos of minus n pi. An is 1 by n square pi common, 1 minus 2 pi cos n pi minus 1 plus 2 pi cos of minus theta is cos theta, that is cos n pi. 1 by n square pi, see here plus 1 minus 1 0, here next minus 2 pi, here minus 2 pi, 2 times of minus 2 pi into cos n pi, that is equal to minus 4 pi cos n pi divided by n square pi. Here pi cancel, minus 4 into, cos n pi is minus 1 power n divided by n square. So you write one more step for convenient series deduction. Minus 4 means minus 1 power 1 into 4 minus 1 power n by n square. So here base same, power will be adding, minus 1 power n plus 1 into 4 by n square is the required an. Next we find bn. Bn is 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi, f of x is x minus x square into sine nx into dx, that is 1 by pi common. Here also we use Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts, because here two functions are there. X minus x square, integral of sine is minus cos nx by n, minus derivative of x minus x square is 1 minus 2x, integral of cos is sine nx by n into n square, here minus, next plus, derivative of 1 minus 2x is minus 2, integral of sine is minus cos, minus into minus plus cos nx by n cube. Next term will be 0 because constant derivative is 0, minus pi to plus pi. Bn is equal to, see here also sine term is 0, applying limit pi and minus pi, 1 by pi outside common, here inside minus 1 by n is there, you have to write like this, x minus x square into cos nx minus 2 by n cube cos nx, apply limit minus pi to plus pi, minus pi to plus pi, minus pi to plus pi. Bn is 1 by pi inside 1 by minus 1 by n, apply the limit pi minus pi square, pi minus pi square into cos n pi minus minus pi minus of minus pi whole square cos of minus n pi minus 2 by n cube common, 2 by n cube common, cos n pi minus cos of minus n pi. Bn is equal to 1 by pi common minus 1 by n pi minus pi square cos n pi minus pi whole square is pi square minus pi square cos n pi minus, see this term is 0, minus plus 0, Pn is minus 1 by n pi common minus, see here minus pi minus pi that is equal to 2 by n minus 1 power n plus 1. So this is the required Bn. Now we construct Fourier series of f of x. A0 by 2 is minus pi cube by 3 plus summation n from 1 to infinity. An is 4 times minus 1 power n plus 1 by n square cos nx plus summation n from 1 to infinity. Bn is 2 by n minus 1 power n plus 1 into sin nx. So this is the required Fourier series. We call equation number 1. Now series deduction. The given f of x is in minus pi comma plus pi. You apply the standard values. Here put x is equal to 0 in 1, that is f of 0 is equal to x minus x square is also 0 is equal to minus pi cube by 3 minus pi square by 3 plus summation n from 1 to infinity 4 times minus 1 power n plus 1 by n square into cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is also 0. So next, that is pi square by 3 is equal to pi square by 3 is equal to summation n from 1 to infinity 4 into minus 1 power n plus 1 by n square pi square by 3 into 4 12 is equal to apply 1 minus 1 power 2 by 1 square minus 1 power minus 3 by 2 square minus 1 power 4 by 3 square plus etc. That is pi square by 12 is equal to 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus etc. So this is the required series. Now we are moving to the next problem. Find the Fourier series of f of x is equal to 1 plus 2x by pi in minus pi less than x less than 0, 1 minus 2x by pi in 0 less than or equal to x less than pi. Hence deduce that pi square by 8 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus etc. You observe the given function f of x. Here the given f of x is exist in minus pi to plus pi, but in this particular problem the function f of x is split into the two terms. First term is 1 plus 2x by pi and next term is 1 minus 2x by pi for minus pi to 0, for 0 to pi. So you write the solution. The Fourier series of f of x in minus pi to plus pi, you first write a0 by 2 summation n from 1 to infinity an cos nx n from 1 to infinity bn sin nx, where a0 is 1 by pi times minus pi to plus pi f of x dx. See, this f of x is split into two terms. That is why you have to write first 1 by pi times minus pi to 0. F of x is 1 plus 2x by pi into dx plus 0 to pi 1 minus 2x by pi. You have to write like this into dx. A0 is equal to a0 is equal to 1 by pi common integration of 1 is x plus 2x square by 2 pi minus pi to 0 x minus 2x square by 2 pi, you know derivative of x is x square by 2, 0 to pi. A0 is equal to 1 by pi. Now we apply the limit, or you write one more step, 2 to cancel, x plus x square by pi minus pi to 0, x minus x square by pi 0 to pi. 1 by pi outside, apply limit, 0 minus into minus plus pi, 0 minus into minus plus 1 by pi, 0 minus pi whole square plus pi minus 0 pi square minus 0, 1 by pi pi plus 1 by pi common minus pi whole square is pi minus pi plus pi cancel minus pi 1 by pi common pi minus pi. So 1 by pi here pi square, pi cancel minus pi plus pi minus pi, that is equal to 0. That is a0 is 0. Next we find an. An is 1 by pi outside common minus pi to plus pi, 1 plus 2x by pi cos nx, here you write minus pi to 0, cos nx dx plus 0 to pi 1 minus 2x by pi cos nx dx. an is equal to 1 by pi common. Here integration by parts. That is 1 plus 2x by pi sin nx by n. Derivative of 1 plus 2x by pi is 2 by pi. Integral of sin is minus cos nx by n into n square. Apply the limit minus pi to 0 plus 1 minus 2x by pi. Integral of cos is sin nx by n minus 2 by pi minus cos nx by n square 0 to pi. an is equal to sin term 0, 1 by pi outside common, minus into minus plus 2 by pi n square common inside, cos nx minus pi to 0, minus into minus plus into minus minus 2 by n square pi common, cos n pi 0 to pi. an is equal to 1 by pi outside common, n square pi common, cos 0 is 1, cos of minus n pi, n square pi cos nx, cos n pi, cos 0 is 1. an is equal to 1 by pi. See here 2 by n square pi square common, n square pi square common, 1 plus minus into minus 1 plus 1 2 minus minus 2 cos n pi. So 2 into 2, 1 minus cos n pi by n square pi square. Therefore an is equal to 4 times 1 minus 1 power n by n square pi square is the required an. Next bn. bn is equal to 1 by pi common minus pi to 0. f of x is 1 plus 2x by pi sin nx dx plus 0 to pi 1 minus 2x by pi sin nx dx. bn equal to 1 by pi common, integration by parts, first function, second function. Integral of sin minus cos nx by n, derivative of 1 plus 2x by pi is 2 by pi. Integral of cos is sin nx by n square minus pi to 0 plus 1 minus 2x by pi minus cos nx by n minus 2 by pi derivative of this minus sin nx by n into n square. Next term will be 0 because derivative of minus 2 by pi is 0. 0 to pi. Here also sin term is 0. Applying the limits, Pn is equal to 1 by pi. Inside 1 by n common, 1 plus 2x by pi cos nx minus pi to 0 minus 1 by n common, 1 minus 2x by pi cos nx 0 to pi. Bn is 1 by pi n common, 1 by pi n common. Apply the limit, 1 plus 0 cos 0 is 1 minus 1 minus 2 pi by pi, 2 pi by pi cos 0 cos minus n pi minus 1 minus 2 pi by pi cos n pi, 1 minus 0 cos 0 is 1. Bn equal to 1 by pi n common, 1 minus 1 minus 2 pi cancel, cos n pi minus 1 minus pi cancel, 1 minus 2 cos n pi minus 1. Bn is equal to 1 by n pi common, 1 minus 2 is minus 1 cos n pi minus 1 cos n pi, minus into minus plus 1. See here, 1 by n pi common, 1 plus cos n pi, minus into minus plus cos n pi minus 1 minus 1. Here minus common, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, here sorry, 1 plus here minus cos n pi, so Bn is equal to 0.
Hai ka ba class no? Sorry ta.